Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a light deep cleaning of our master bedroom. This is more of a realistic clean with me, just to give you some more motivational cleaning. Our room was a huge disaster, as you can see, and needed some tidying up. And if this is your first time here, I would love it if you would stay a while, and if you like what you see, maybe consider subscribing to my channel. I would love to have you join my YouTube family, and also don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up.
Just let go, lose control, play songs on the radio too loud. This could be magical. Whoa, whoa. This could be magical. Whoa, to escape, and here we are, driving narrow streets in a rusty car, leading to the sea. Think we're getting close. We should take a pic, baby, strike a pose. I remember every day that I spent out here with you. Yeah, you are the one who makes me feel as good as I do. Baby, I wanna still act like we are 22 right now. Just let go, lose control, play songs on the radio too loud. This could be magical. Whoa, whoa. This could be magical. Whoa, whoa. You and me, everything that we've been through has made us strong. You won't believe we've had our gray, but somewhere there's a light inside of us. It shows the way. Not looking for no heaven to go, 'cause I got you. I got you. Don't wanna show us off, but you're my all. All that I need. Trying to sugarcoat, but I'm flying so high. I don't even know if I'm coming.
So this iron board always gets cluttered because we tend to just throw things on there instead of putting the clothes where they belong. So I decided to just only have the iron board out when I am actually using it and put it up afterwards. That way I'm not tempted to just throw things on there again, and this will actually save up some space as well. So this was actually the next day. That's why I have a different outfit on, if you guys are wondering. But hey, this is just being realistic. You can't always get it done all at once, but as long as it does get done, I think that should count for something, right?
I'll stay in bed. I still got the feeling that you're next to me, stuck in my head. When lights go off, you're everything that I could ever want. Your touch so soft.
So I decided to just vacuum only, and I didn't deep clean the carpets this time. There wasn't as many stains like the kitchen area or our living room area, since the boys don't really eat up here.
Me
So as you can see, my little helpers decided to join in. Yeah, they always like to be around me when I'm cleaning or doing something around the house. They just think they're helping out as well, but I mean, hey, I think it's cute. Alright guys, I decided to hang some lights up over our headboard just to make it a bit more festive for the season, but I love how clean and put together our room looks now, and I always feel way less stressed when a room is clean and not cluttered. Who else feels this way? Give this video a big thumbs up if you agree, and if you enjoyed this video. Also, I hope this was a great motivating start to your week. Thank you guys so much for watching, and subscribe if you haven't. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.